Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. This one is going to be a weekend vlog, तो start करते हैं Friday से. So on Friday I was really excited because I was going back to college after like ages, all thanks to third wave. Oh, and I found this really cute animated short film on Netflix. It's called Canvas. It's just 9 minutes long. I watched this while I was having my breakfast. So I couldn't really shoot anything in college, but guess what? We had a sudden plan to visit Janpath market. Janpath is literally one of the best places to shop in Delhi. And just next to it we have CP, so all in all it's a great hangout place. So here I visited Janpath literally after 3 years or so, and to my surprise it hasn't changed a bit. It is famous for its hand-stitched, embroidered clothing and also jewelry. So of course मैंने थोड़ी सी shopping कर ली, and I'm not guilty because everything is so good. I think I should make a haul video about everything that I got. Let me know in the comments down below if you want one. So in Janpath market there is this area called Gujarati market, and let me tell you, it's beautiful. I love things that are colorful and quirky. Everything in here was handmade and so unique. I have never seen anything like this. So here I saw a really cute laptop bag, or a handbag you can say. It was for 3,500 rupees, and I think it's totally worth that price because it's so pretty. So if you're looking for some nice lehengas, bags, kurtis, basically anything traditional, you can get it in this market. I also got to know that this place is a very famous tourist spot. A lot of people come here and shop here. Now since it's the weekend, my cousin Shruti decided to join us. And at night we decided let's watch Kehraiya together. Now, good morning from Saturday. Saturday started with a quick grocery run, and after that, I had my online classes. Once done with that, we still had to keep the weekend spirit alive. So, we decided to go out for dinner at 0 degrees. Now let's talk about Sunday. So this time Sunday was really about just relaxing. In the morning I felt like making the breakfast, and this is me exactly prepping for that. And after that applied some face pack on my face and probably took a nap. And this was all from Sunday. So this brings us to the end of this video, and let me know how you find this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.